The number one question I get is how to mount GoPros on the boat. I'm just kidding, y'all don't ever send me any questions. But I found a way to mount 2 GoPros and have them both charging all day for less than $20. First off, I got some of these flexible jaw clamps from eBay. They're Chinese knockoffs, they're not actual GoPros, but they were about $7.50 a piece, something like that. And they're actually built really well. I leave them on there while I'm going across the lake, and they hold up. They've held up really good. And all I do is I use my windscreen and I clamp them, and I have one facing the back of the boat and then put one facing the front of the boat. Then I just have to adjust them to get the right angle on them, get everything in frame. And then I went to Walmart and found one of these charge packs for about $4 on sale, and actually even shows you what percentage of charge it has. And now all I did is I put some industrial strength Velcro on the back of it, and I put the other side of the Velcro on the middle of my console because I don't have any gauges, so I can take it on and off when I get off the water real easy. And all I gotta do is put it on there, and the stock OEM GoPro cables that come with your GoPros, the cord is long enough to reach both of them. This has 2 USB ports on it, and it holds up all day. So I got all that, ended up coming out maybe about 19 and some change, and it's lasted all season. So here's some clips. It's not the full frame of the GoPro, but here's the clip side by side that shows you about what it looks like. But the GoPro has a bigger frame than what these are showing. There you go. You don't have to break the bank for GoPro mounts. I'm telling you, these Chinese knockoffs, if you get the right ones, they work probably just about as good as the GoPro gear. Hopefully that'll help y'all save a little bit of money.